What's good everyone? I am Rogelio Jr. Aquino, and for today's video, I am going to make a truth table out of this Boolean expression, which is the x equals p times u plus v plus w, and together with each logic circuit, which I'm going to demo it into an actual working circuit. So before we start with our demonstration, let's understand this logic circuit diagram first. Switches T and U is connected to an AND gate. Switches V and W is connected to an OR gate. And the output of the T and U AND gate is connected to the OR gate. And the OR gate output of the V and W is connected to the OR gate, which will then lead to the x equals T times U plus V plus W, which is the lead. This right here is the truth table from this Boolean expression. We will use this truth table later if we are going to test our circuit. So here attached are the components that we will be needing for the circuit. So there are 4 push buttons connected to 4 10 key ohms resistor. So as you can see, then is connected to the negative side, and the resistor is connected to the second terminal of this push button. Okay, we also have this 74LS32N or the OR gate. This is also the 74LS08N or the AND gate. And we have a LED, and the LED is connected to a resistor and connected to the negative side. This right here, this is optional. I did put this for easy verification if it is turned on or the output is high. So there's a buzzer connected to a resistor, 330 ohms resistor. Same goes to this LED, 330 ohms resistor. Okay, I also have this Arduino as a power supply or source. And I also have these jumper wires. So now I'm going to connect these jumper wires to each push button. The T and U, I will use yellow jumper wires. For the V and W, I will use blue jumper wires. Next, I will add a jumper wire to this push button and connect it to the positive of the power. Same goes to this. Okay. We will then add the negative and positive side of this IC. So here the VCC will be connected to the positive. Same goes to this, the VCC. Negative. Okay, negative. So I will then connect this T and U. Based on the logic circuit, it is connected to the AND gate. So here's the AND gate. We will connect it to the gate 1 of the AND gate. Then we'll put an output to it. V and W will be connected to the OR gate, which is here. Okay. Okay, so that you can see, we will put an output to it also. There you go. So based on the logic circuit again, the output of the AND gate, which is here, will be connected to the OR gate. So we can use this second gate of the OR gate. Okay, this also is here, and we'll have the output of it connected to the LED and the buzzer. Okay. So we will now test this. So based on the truth table, T times U, which is an AND gate, then next V plus W, which is an OR gate, then outputs to an OR gate. So 0 means off or low. 1 means on or high. Okay, so let's now test this. So based on the truth table, there are number system from 0 to 15. Okay, so let's check. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, all of them.